Are you ready for something exciting? Welcome to Cutting Up and Piecing Out, starting Thursday, April 2nd at 6:30 p.m. Arizona time. Join me for a fantastic weekly crafting show. Our first episode is all about pre-cut night. We'll dive into working with pre-cut materials. These are simple to use and great for quick projects. Each week, we'll hang out, share tips, and focus together. It's a space for everyone, newbies and pros alike. Let's enhance your crafting skills together. Each episode will break down a new project step by step. We'll keep it fun, fast, and totally doable. Imagine creating something beautiful in no time. You'll learn how to use pre-cuts effectively. Picture yourself enjoying a cozy crafting evening with friends. This is your chance to unwind and get crafty. Remember, crafting is about creativity and community. So, don't miss out. Hit subscribe and set your reminder now. Join me this Thursday. You won't regret it. Let's craft something amazing together.